I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is Industrial Law 4th Unit, the Employees' Liability for Compensation, Section 3. Okay. The updates in the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. What is the Compensation Section 3? The Section 3 since inception in 1923, there have been two major changes in the Workmen Compensation Act. They are the followers. In 2010, this law name was changed to Employees Compensation Act. On January 3, 2020, the Ministry of Labour and Employment raised the amount on which compensation was calculated as per the Act rupees 8,000 rupees and 15,000. The features of Workmen Compensation Act 1923. The employer is liable to pay compensation if the person injury is caused to the employee by the accident. The accident arises out of and in the course of employment. The essential conditions for liability. The personal injury must be caused to the employees. The accident must occur due to the during the employment. Injury must result in the disablement of a death. The injury must not be. The next is the exemption. When employer is not liable, provides to the section 3.1. As per the Act, employees are not liable to financially compensate their employees under the following recommendations. The employee suffering from an injury or accident by disregarding the safety norms, injury resulting in partial or total disablement for less than 3 days. For accidents or injuries under the influence of alcohol and drugs. So, injury does not result in the total or partial disablement for more than 3 days injury caused due to the employee being under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Willful disablements and safety rules or orders. Willful removal or discredit of safety guards or equipments. Theory of national extension of employment. This theory extends the employee's liabilities beyond the physical workplace in the circumstances. Meaning, if the employee is doing something influential to employment, even outside the working hours, the employer may still be liable. The final word. It is mandatory as per government rules for employers to provide insurance benefits to their workforce under the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. This ensures that even in the case of unfortunate accidents, employees can get financial security which can help them and their families and deal with the situation. The frequently asked for the while searching for a workman compensation insurance policy, the extent of coverage is the most important factors to keep in mind while searching for such a policy. Additionally, employees must also consider the sum insured optional covers extra benefits and the claim settlement process. The next, what is the claim settlement process for a workman compensation insurance plan means? It is a claim a workman compensation insurance policy. Employees must inform the site inspector of the accident or fatality. Then they must provide all relevant documents to insurance company and wait for the claim to be accepted. Please keep in mind that the claim settlement procedure can vary across providing companies. Documents required to file a workman compensation insurance claim. The document that an employee needs to submit while claiming a workman's compensation insurance policy are the completed and signed application form, medical bills, and compensation records. Moreover, for mishaps, causing disability and death, medical certificates confirming the same need to be submitted. The receive compensation when the employee dies means that according to the law, when the employee dies at the workplace, all his here, the dependents are liable to receive the financial compensation. The benefits is also the applicable in case accident causing disablement. What is workman's compensation insurance policy in online? Yes, it is a smart move to the search for workman compensation insurance plans. The online this because employees can tally with the pros and cons several providers before making their financial choice. So it is one of the final choice. Um, Thank you.